An earthquake warning has been issued for the following locations: the entire NightWing island. Drop cover and hold now. Take cover under a piece of sturdy furniture. There is a significant possibility that this earthquake and subsequent aftershocks may lead to volcanic activity on the island. In the event of an eruption, take shelter as far away from the outside world as possible. If an evacuation order is issued, please prepare to evacuate as soon as possible. Remain in shelter until the shaking from the earthquake stops. We interrupt normally scheduled programming to bring you this emergency information. Please stand by as information vital to your safety will be broadcasted shortly. At this time, enemy troop movements have been detected inside the underground tunnel system connecting the island to mainland. These troops are believed to have originated from the NightWing army. This is believed to be a vengeance attack in response to the planned military operation in the NightWing kingdom. At this time it is advised that you shelter in place immediately. It is currently unknown what their intentions are. The NightWing army and civilian militias are responding to this surprise invasion. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand. The Department of Natural Disaster Preparedness has issued a volcano warning effective for the entire NightWing kingdom. At this time an explosive eruption of Mount Obsidian is underway. If you are hearing this broadcast, please shelter in place now.